In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request your data on Pinterest. If you're curious about what Pinterest stores about your account, or you just want a personal backup, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click. First, open your browser and go to Pinterest.com. Sign into the account you want the data for. If you manage more than one account, take a second to confirm you're in the right one by checking the profile photo at the top. Next, look toward the top right corner and open the menu labeled Settings and Support. On desktop, you'll usually find it near your profile picture. On mobile web, it may appear inside a menu icon. Open that menu to continue. From there, choose Settings. This takes you to your account settings page, where you'll see a list of categories in the navigation. Find and select Privacy and Data. This area covers how your information is handled, along with controls you can review. It's a good moment to glance through these options so you understand what's being shared and how your data is used. Now click Request Data. This starts the process of preparing an export of your account information. For security, you might be asked to verify your identity before the request goes through. That's normal and helps protect your data. After you submit the request, watch your email inbox for a message from Pinterest with a download link. Depending on how much content you have, it might arrive quickly or take a bit longer. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. When the email arrives, use the link to download your data archive to a secure location. The file is typically a compressed folder containing items like profile details and activity history. Treat it like any sensitive document. Store it safely, preferably on a trusted device, and avoid saving it on shared or public computers. A few practical tips before you wrap up. Make sure the email address on your account is current, since that's where the download link will be sent. You can continue using Pinterest while the export is being prepared, but be aware the archive reflects a snapshot from when you requested it. If you recently changed your password or security settings, a previous link might expire for safety. In that case, simply request the data again. For long-term storage, consider encrypting the file or keeping it in a secure location with two-factor authentication. And if you no longer need the archive, deleting it reduces your risk if a device is lost. That's it. You've requested your data on Pinterest in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and take care of your privacy.